A-A-N-G.
You can't have two A's in bang.
In comic book word Scrabble, you can. You can have three A's if you want. With a double letter score, that makes 22 points.
This game is ridiculous.
No, it isn't. It isn't, because you get to say words like karang and boing and cowabunga and buttocks.
What comic book did that come out of?
Well, I don't know. I just like saying buttocks. Buttocks. Okay, what's your word?
I can make it up, right?
Yes, that's the best bit.
Okay. Y-A-A-M-O-O-L. That's 4. And that's 24 points.
Yamul. Yamul, I like that. Yamul. Okay, now you have to give an example of it in a sentence. Like I said, if you make up a word, you have to give an example.
Right. Spider-Man.
Spider-Man.
What's wrong with Spider-Man?
Well, it's a bit obvious. Oh, all right. Spider-Man.
Spider-Man is about to save the universe from an evil thing, and so he hits him with a jet of web, Yamul, and it stops him in its tracks.
You are terrible at this game.
I've got 2 more points than you.
D-A-Z. L-I-O-U-S. Dazzlius.
I'm assuming that's a made-up word.
It is. It's also 38 points for the word and another 50 for using up all my letters. That makes 88 points.
And your example?
Mr. Fantastic from the Fantastic Four. He's got arms made of elastic so they can stretch for 2, maybe 300 miles. He's been imprisoned in a cave for 7 days with no food and no water and no light. And on the 8th day, he manages to loosen a rock and push his way up through the top.
With his stretchy arms.
And up into the daylight, just as the sun is coming up over the mountains and filling the sky with this white-yellow light. And there's a stillness. And in the few minutes he's got before his captor, the evil Dr. Doom, returns, he stops for 1 second. And all he can hear is his own breathing. And he's totally overwhelmed by how big the world is and how small and unimportant he is. And as he turns around, we see his face look to the sky. And he says very quietly, so that no one can hear